Okay, guys, we did it. We did it. We reached a goal that I've been chasing for like past 7 years just to get a 1K. Oh my god, guys. We did it, guys. Woo! Damn, I di ko alam, man, but I'm very sorry I'm late. I'm very sorry I'm late na. Kasi I've reached 1K subscribers like few days ago naman. Few days ago. So, it's kind of late kasi I'm kind of busy. So, a couple of days I'm busy kasi meron daming event na nangyayari, ganito, ganon. But, man, it's so, I'm super happy that I reached the goal that I wanted na inano ko naman. And, man, guys, nagpapasalamat ako, guys. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin, nagtiwala sa akin that I can do this. Na, masabi ko lang, okay? I would tell you that my content is not that as good as the others. But, me, who doesn't have any talent, who doesn't have any talent, can do literally this, like this, minsan kasi nag-iinggit ako, man. Nainggit ako sa mga talented person out there. Ano kaya mga gawin ko? Like, I'm a shy type person. Wala akong alam ko anong gagawin ko. I don't have any talent. I'm not good at any sports or whatsoever. Having, doing YouTube like this, parang bumago talaga ako. Like, it's kind of wild experience na katulad kong isang tao na walang shy type reach this goal. 1K is actually a dream of mine. And wow, I'm very surprised. But guys, masabi ko lang, okay, I don't have any good, views right now. But masabi natin, this is the 7 years. Imagine mo 7 years that I've started YouTube because of this one. 7 years. Okay? Tapos yung cellphone ko paggamit is the Lenovo one na hindi pa pwede mag-screen record. Kiningroot ko pa para maka-screen record na ako, man. It was a, talaga para natawa lang ako because of that happened. Kiningroot ko pa para lang magkaroon lang ako ng screen record. But, man, my goal talaga is, get to 500. Pero yung 1K na is absolutely, wow, shocking, man. Absolutely shocking, guys. This is my first 100. After that talaga, guys, I don't know, yung gumawa ko YouTube, I don't know if I want to start to continue it. Kasi wala naman akong, tamang equipment sa sa YouTube. But it takes years lang bago lang ako mag-equipment. And this is my first time yung hiniram ko yung laptop ni Pedro. Shout out to Pedro, man. Si Pedro sabi niya, if I get 1K, he will be my editor. Man, Pedro, asal ka na, man. You can be my editor now. But, ayun nga, nagpapasalamat ako kay Pedro because he's the one actually nagsabi sa'yo, oh, sige, pakiramin kita laptop. Basta maglaro ka lang. Basta mag-continue uploading your shit like that. So, yeah nga, nag-upload ako and, you can see Pedro here, Pedro Licious. He's one, kasama siya sa mga vlogs ko, man. Like, man, if we can have if Pedro continue to do some YouTube content, man, it would be awesome. Kaso hindi siya nagpatuloy and it kind of sucks sa dami namin gumawa ng YouTube channel, ako lang yung nagpatuloy muna. So 1K. So Samuel has it, of course, and meron ako start gaming. Wala na siyang YouTube channel. I mean, he's still with us, pero di ko alam kung saan na siya banda ng sulok, di ko alam, but yun nga. And it was so crazy back time. And this is pandemic year. Man, imagine ko kasi yung pandemic year talaga is one of the most hardest yung to, to do a YouTube channel kasi wala kang maisip content. Kaya yung content ko lang is full of reacting. That's why yung reacting video kasi hindi ka makalabas. You know, I don't have fully equipment. Wala naman akong computer doon, laptop na maganda. So yun nga. That's why it's mostly a reacting video. And cellphone pa yung gamit ko that time. So yeah, makes sense naman. And yeah, and some games as well. And yun nga guys, papasalamat na ako sa lahat na nag-subscribe. Wala akong masabing pangit talaga. I don't know what to say guys. I don't know what to say. I'm very speechless. Kaya po pa ulit ang sinasabi ko, man. And okay, this is, and especially, okay, I would not, you know, hindi ko naman sana, ano to you know, sabihin to sa camera, but of course one of special person na nag-ano din sa akin is of course my ex. If kilala niyo guys, her name is Danica. Of course guys, and ang sakit sa feeling na pagsabi ng pangalan niya, no, wala na siya sa life mo, but yeah, wala lang kami guys. So on and off, pero I know right now baka hindi na kami babalikan, but I would tell this guys, if nanonood ka naman, dani ka dyan, but siya talaga dahilan na I still continue to do YouTube, right, like I was so down, not down talaga sa time na to, like when I met her, I think it was on what dating app is that? Oh, fine. Nakalimutan ko yung dating app na yon. I think it was a dating app. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. It was a most popular dating app like before. Yun nga, siya lang talaga yung nag-supportive sa akin. Like, mostly nung wala ako, man. Like, YouTube, parang, hindi ko ito sinabi sa ex ko, like my first girlfriend, hindi ko ito sinabi sa kanya. But, when I told her that I had a YouTube channel, man, she's really supported me throughout my ups and downs. Kaya wala akong ma-content. Sabi, oh, mag-post ka like that. Mag-post ka kahit ano. Sabihin mo yan. And kahit sinabi niya, kahit walang tayo, basta mag-post ka lang, I will watch you naman. So, yun nga. Literally, the whole 2021, like mid-2021 to 2022, it's all about her. It's all about kita na yun. And yung nag-break kami, I still continue. Di ko alam kung ipagpatuloy ko pa yung YouTube when nag-break up kami. But, ayun nga, nagpatuloy ko pa rin. So, tumatak sa isip ko yung sinabi niya, like, dapat huwag ka sumuko, i-proceed mo yung goal mo. And hanggang ngayon, okay, and of course, nagbalikan naman kami, but ayun nga, not all ending has a good ending, right? It's good. So, tanggap ko naman sa sarili ko, like, wala na hindi, it will be different without her, but I'm still doing my best, if mapapansin mo naman, and I will do my best with or without her naman. So, pero nagpapasalamat talaga ako because of her. Literally, my life changes. Like, lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko na being a shy type person because of her. So, without her, hindi ko alam kung ano yung kinalabasan ko ngayon. But, Danica, I'm very thankful sa'yo. I'm very thankful and ingat ka dyan palagi. And of course, sa mga friends ko dyan, and kay Nene Maureen, Nene Mitz, those two literally syempre late na sila sa akin, late na sila dumating dito sa career na YouTube, but literally they are very supportive. And sa mga kaibigan ko dyan, pinsan, very thankful din ako. Kay mom and dad, kay kuya ko, even though they're not related sa mga posts ko, my mom actually sabi niya kasi, oy, baguhin mo naman yung content mo, do some more vlogging. You know, I'm not a vlogging person, but ginagawa ko naman mag-vlog, but it's not just palagi-lagi yung vlog ko. But more or less na naman, ginagawa ko lang yung vlog is if boring ako. But more on gaming or some kind of other stuff ako. But yun guys, and very thankful. I'm very thankful sa YouTube because of YouTube that it literally changed me the person who I am today. I don't know guys, wala sa isip sa akin mag-YouTube, but it literally changed that one day on 2017 that I watched a certain Pinoy YouTuber. Nagporsigit ako mag-YouTube, gumawa ng YouTube and to make videos. Oh my God, guys. It's unbelievable experience. Di ko alam, guys. It's unbelievable experience kasi asap sa tingnan niya 1K subscribers. Sa mga kaibigan ko dyan na, like, yung tinulungan ako sa mga, sa rough challenges. Thank you then. Kasi, mostly sa mga YouTube, sa mga subscribers ko nag-unsubscribe naman. But thankful din ako sa mga bagong subscribers dyan. I don't have any fandom, but guys, I'm very sorry kung hindi ako nag-upload. I will try my best to upload more and more videos kada month. Hindi ko alam. I'm kinda busy or sa man na ako. Kung saan nagka 1K na ako, doon pa ako tinamad. But, ayun nga guys, I'm very thankful sa inyo. Gusto ko lang talaga umiyak, guys. It's literally hard to do a 1K. May ibang YouTubers, 1K is like an easy peasy. Baka maka 1K sila in a week or one day like that. Me, 1K in a 7 year it's kind of, masabi natin, it's not a big deal. But for me, who is a person who doesn't have any, talent, wala siyang alam ng lahat. Man, for me, it's a dream, man. It's a dream come true, guys. It's a dream come true. Gusto ko lang talaga umiyak, but I'll just save it for better time. But guys, thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm very thankful. And I hope we could do a 1,000 special. Hinihintay ko lang kasi I have a PS4. So I think I should play horror game, but who knows, guys? But who knows? So if gusto nyo makita yon or masubaybayan, please subscribe to my channel. And guys, thank you sa 1K subscribers. I never know kung maabot tayo ng 2K, right? But guys, sa mga nagtulong sa akin and all of you who subscribe, thank you. Thank you. I will try my best and I will thanks to God then. Kasi literally, I always pray na ibigay sa akin yung lakas at i-guide niya ako. And He literally did. Binigyan ako lakas para mag-grind pa grind for 7 years. For 7 years for grinding. Thankful ako kay God. And thankful din ako sa mga nagtulong sa akin. Kay Danica din. Of course, kay Pedro, kay Mom and Dad, kay Kuya, and all my friends. Salamat talaga, guys. And wala akong masabi kung ano pa. But guys, it's your boy Dan, and see you next video. Thank you, guys. Bye!